Hi, this tutorial explains how to create bingo cards with emojis. This type of game is perfect for teachers willing to entertain their students while learning new words. We have 3 voiceover professionals who will call out the columns and emoji names in English,
B. Pizza.
Spanish,
Y. Cohete.
and French.
O. Baleine.
Users can switch between languages in the menu of their account. Players have to click the information eye icon at the top right corner of the virtual cards. First, log in to your Bingo Maker account. On the main page, click New Bingo Project. At Type of Bingo, select the option Emoji and click Create the Cards. Your project will be available on your main page. When you are ready to host a game, click Play. Enter a game name and a password for players to join your game, and click Activate the Bingo Caller. Players can get their virtual bingo cards with emojis at bingomaker.com and click Join a Game. Search for your game name, click Join, and enter the password. You can deactivate the voice feature by clicking the microphone icon. Once you are ready, start the random draws of emojis by clicking Make a Draw. The winning cards will appear automatically in the winners list. Continue to play until you have no prizes left to give to winners. Thank you for using bingomaker.com.